Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make whipped cream healthy. To begin, select a can of full-fat coconut cream, ensuring it contains no added gums or emulsifiers for the best results. Place the unopened can in your refrigerator for a minimum of 24 hours. This crucial step allows the thick, rich cream to separate from the watery liquid, forming the perfect base for your light and airy topping. This simple swap makes a big difference. Once your coconut cream is thoroughly chilled, carefully open the can without shaking it. Scoop out only the thick, solid cream from the top, leaving the clear liquid behind. Transfer this solid cream to a mixing bowl. Now, add 1 to 2 tablespoons of your preferred natural sweetener, such as maple syrup or agave nectar, and a half teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. These additions will provide a delightful, subtle sweetness. With your ingredients in the bowl, it's time to whip. Using an electric mixer with a whisk attachment is ideal for achieving the perfect texture. Begin mixing on a low speed, then gradually increase to medium-high. Continue whipping for about 3 to 5 minutes, or until the cream becomes light, fluffy, and forms soft to medium peaks. Be careful not to overwhip, as it can become grainy. Now you have a delicious, healthy whipped cream that's dairy-free and naturally sweetened. It's wonderfully versatile and can elevate many dishes. Spoon it generously over a bowl of fresh berries, a vibrant fruit salad, or your favorite healthy baked goods. This light and airy topping provides a satisfying sweetness without the heavy feeling. Enjoy your guilt-free indulgence.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.